Hello and welcome to the Simple Step Show. And today I'm going to show you how to create a subpage in Notion. All right, so subpages help keep related information grouped together without cluttering your sidebar. So in this case today, we're going to open up a page that's already in our sidebar. This is my home, so we're going to go ahead and click into that. There's two ways that you can add this. I'm going to show you the way inside of the page first, and then secondly, I will show you how to do it from the sidebar itself. So when you notice when you're in My Home and you click on something, you get your cursor. When you put slash in there, it's going to open up a list of commands. And if you want, you can scroll down to page here, right? You can barely see it on there, but there's a lot of different options in here. So one thing that we can do is just simply start typing. When we type in the P there, it's going to filter down to anything that has that P, and we will get the page. We're going to go ahead and call this Notes. And when you click away from there, that will automatically create that subpage. So when I go click back to home, you'll see there's now a notes section in there, and that's our subpage. Another option that you can do is when you're here, you can hover over the plus icon, and you'll see it says add a page inside. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to type in task. When I type in task, that is automatically going to add that to the page. And when I click away from that, you'll see now I have notes and task both living inside of my home. So another helpful tip for beginners is to use subpages to group related content, but not to nest it too deeply. If you nest too deeply, it can get pretty complicated and you can lose things pretty quickly. So one or two levels is usually enough to stay organized. And that is how you create a subpage or pages in Notion. Thanks for watching.